Welcome to Spagtastic. In this lesson we are going to learn how to use the apostrophe to show singular possession. This is a level 2 skill. Let's begin by answering the question, what is an apostrophe? An apostrophe is a punctuation mark that has two main jobs. It can be used to show that letters are missing. This is also known as omission. It can also be used to show that something belongs to someone or something. This is known as possession. In this lesson, we are going to focus on how the apostrophe is used to show possession. What is possession? Possession is when we own or have something. Using the apostrophe makes it clear who or what something belongs to. We can use the apostrophe to show singular possession. Singular means there is one of something. So to show singular possession, we use an apostrophe followed by the letter S at the end of a word. Let's take a look at some examples. Here we have the scooter belongs to Sam. It is Sam's scooter. So to show possession, we need to add an apostrophe and an S to the end of the word Sam. Let's take a look. It is Sam's scooter. There is only one Sam, so it is singular possession. You can see that after the word Sam there is an apostrophe and the letter S. Here is another example. The hat belongs to the girl. There is only one girl, so we need to put an apostrophe and an S after the word girl to show that the hat belongs to her. We can rewrite the sentence. It is the girl's hat. Here you can see the apostrophe followed by the letter S at the end of the word girl. Here is a final example. The trainers belonging to Oscar are muddy. There is only one Oscar, so to show that the trainers belong to him, we need to put an apostrophe and an S after the word Oscar and rewrite the sentence. Our new sentence is, Oscar's trainers are muddy. So here you can see after the word Oscar is an apostrophe and an S to show the trainers belong to him. Here is a final question for you to try. The apostrophe is missing in the sentence, the teacher's bag was full of books. But where does the apostrophe need to go? Why not pause the video and have a think for yourself? Let's find out. The bag belongs to the teacher and there is only one teacher, so it is singular possession. We need an apostrophe after the R in teacher and the apostrophe is followed by the S. Here is a short summary of the learning in this lesson. The apostrophe is a punctuation mark. It can be used to show possession, which means that something belongs to someone or something.